Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky and what we're going to be doing today is helping those book readers. So if you've got a book, you keep losing that page, what we're going to do is make a nice little bookmark for it as well. So I've got a book here. So this is Fearne Cotton's Happy Book. So I was actually given this in lockdown to have a read. It's a brilliant book because Fearne Cotton explains her mental health journey. And it also gives you activities to do throughout the book. So if you haven't read this already, I highly recommend it. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description there for you, which will take you straight over to Amazon so that you guys can buy the book too. So I hope you enjoy the read. What we're actually going to look at is what is inside the book. So you can see the nice little bookmark here. So we are going to be making a little bookmark which is easy to take in and out of your book so you can find your place easily. Let's move over to the making stage. So I've got my piece of paper here. So this is nice and square there, so as you can see, nice and square. So what we're going to do to start off with, we're going to turn it round and we're just going to diagonally put corner to corner, just like that. Okay, these bottom edges where the fold is, we're just going to bring these up to the point. There we are. And just fold that bottom piece down. Same again on this side. Okay, so open those back up. You now have a mark down the bottom here where these folds are, just here. So what we're going to do now is bring this top layer, if I can get hold of it, top layer down to the point. There we are. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put that back over and then we're going to bend this just inside, all the way down, nice and firm. We're going to do the same on the other side as well, so bring it back over, fold it through, and then tuck it just inside there. And there you go, there is your bookmark. So let us grab our book here. We can open it up to the right page and slip our bookmark into the right page there. So you can see it clearly and then you know exactly where you are. Okay, so we're going to make a fun one now. So I've got my piece of paper. So what we're going to do is we are going to fold it corner to corner again. This is a larger piece, just so you can see. We're then going to bring this edge up to the top. And this edge also up to the top. Open it all out. Bring the top layer down to the bottom. Fold. Turn this edge up, tuck it in, and same on this side. Bring it up, and tuck it in. And what we're going to do with this one then, we're just going to make it fun, I think. So let me grab another sheet of paper. then have a tongue, and I think we just need to put some eyes on it now. And there we are, we have made ourselves a little frog. So you can just stick that tongue into place there, and you can use that as your bookmark. So I hope you guys have enjoyed making your bookmarks. So we had the starry one, which I've already put in my book so I can see straight away. Yeah, that's where I need to be. Here we are. And we also made the frog as well. This is the nice little critter. So if you've enjoyed, then give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe below. And if you press the notification bell, that will show you anytime I put up a new video. If you've liked things like this and you want some more craft to do, then check out in the description below. I'll put a playlist there for you of things to do at home. So there's quite a few different things on there. And I look forward to doing more videos for you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!